puppies are 5 weeks old. And this one here is the girl, and that is the boy. She's got a dark stripe on her back, and he's just a little darker in color. Come on. Let's play with the ball. Ooh.
That's a feisty little female.
Yeah, she's like her mother and her dad. She's learning fast. And the little boy, oh. He's just very relaxed. And she's more of a, she likes to play. Just leave him alone. Hey.
Oh, it's fun.
Ooh, what's that? Puppies.
She'd have an easier time picking her little raft up, and she.
That's the little boy, and that's the girl.
Looking and tired.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Yeah, now he wakes up. Revenge.
Now he's getting her. Come here, you. Go get him in the middle. He's planning something.
She likes that toy. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna get you. Her whole body.